Hi guys, Ernesta here. Welcome to the 7 Pillars of Service Excellence.
Here's what happens when you encourage your employees to take ownership instead of adopting "that's not my job" mentality from our 7 pillars of service excellence.
Taking ownership.
What ownership looks like. Taking initiative before being asked.
Here's another key feature of our pillars of service excellence. Another pillar that supports routine checks, maintenance, and pride in the environment. A pillar that focused on final touches that leave lasting impressions.
Examples of final touches. For cleaning services, fluffing pillows, restocking toilet paper, or leaving a subtle fragrance behind. Hotels and other businesses that focus on hospitality.
Give us a call so we can send you a link to integrate our plug-and-play system into your business model. Say goodbye to poor customer service. Our automated system scales to fit your needs and works seamlessly across a variety of services.